Point number 13, tables 12 to 20. Let us see 14 table. Why you are learning 14 table? If you follow this technique, if you forget, then also you can recall it easily. So 14 zeros are 0, it's easy. 14 ones are 14, it's also easy. If you double 14 ones are answer, then you will get 14 twos are answer. So 14 double is 28. If you double 14 twos are answer, then you will get 14 fours are answer. So 28 double is 56. If you double 14 fours are answer, then you will get 14 eights are answer. So 56 double is 112. If you are unable to double 28 at a time, then think it as a 20 plus 8. 20 double is 40, 80 double is 16. So 40 plus 16 is 56. If you are unable to double 56 at a time, then split 56 into two parts. 50 plus 6, 50 double is 100, 6 double is 12, 100 plus 12 is 112. Like that you can analyze. Next, 14 threes are how much? To get 14 threes are answer, you need to imagine 14 into 3 in your mind. Ones place, tens place, 3 into 10 is 30, 3 into 4 is 12. So 30 plus 12 is 42. So 14 threes are 42. Next, if you double 14 threes are answer, then you will get 14 six are answer. So 14 threes are 42. 42 double is 84. Next, 14 fives are how much? So it can be done in into 5 model. So take half of 14. Half of 14 is 7. So here one digit is present. So you can write here 10. So 14 fives are 70. Next, 14 sevens are how much? To get 14 sevens answer, how we did 14 into 3? Same like that. You should imagine 14 into 7 in your mind. Ones place, tens place. So 7 into 10 is 70. 7 into 4 is 28. 70 plus 28 is 98. Next, 49s are how much? To get 49's answer, we should know 14 tens are how much. So 14 tens are 140. From 14 tens are 140, we should subtract 14. Then we'll get 49's answer. So 140 minus 14 we have to do. If we are unable to subtract 14 at a time, then split 14 into two parts. 10 plus 4. First subtract 10, then subtract 4. So 140 minus 10 is 130. 130 minus 4 is 126. Now let us analyze. For example, while you are doing simplifications, you encountered with 14 into 4 how much? If you don't know 14 for the how much, then that doesn't matter at all. Just think about what is 14 twos are. Because if you double 14 twos answer, then you will get 14 fours are answer. Okay. If you don't know 14 twos are is how much, then that doesn't matter at all. Just think about 14 ones are how much. Definitely you know 14 ones are 14. So if you double 14 ones are answer, then you get 14 twos are. If you double 14 twos are answer, then you get 14 fours are. So 14 double 28, 28 double 56. Next, for example, you encountered with 14 eights are how much? For example, you don't know 14 eights are how much. Then that doesn't matter at all. Just think about what is 14 fours are. Let us, for example, you don't know 14 fours are also how much you don't know. Then think about 14 twos are how much. For example, you don't know 14 twos are also. Then don't worry, think about what is 14 ones are. If you know 14 ones are answer, then if you double 14 ones answer, then you get 14 twos answer. If you double 14 twos answer, then you get 14 fours answer. If you double 14 fours answer, you will get 14 eights answer. Likewise, we can analyze. So 14 double is 28, 28 double is 56, 56 double is 112. So 14 eights are 112. Next. So for example, when your simplification you encounter with what is 14 fives are. 14 fives are how much? It's very simple. Just it is in into 5 model. So take half of this number. 14 half is 7. Here one digit is present. So right here 10. So 14 fives are 70. That's our answer completed. Next, for example, you encountered with 14 threes are how much? To get 14 threes answer, just imagine 14 into 3 in your mind. So 3 into 10, 30, 3 4s are 12. 30 plus 12 is 42. So 14 threes are 42. Next, for example, you encountered with 14 into 7 is how much? 14 sevens are how much? You should imagine this one in your mind. So 7 into 10, 70, 7 fours are 28. So 70 plus 28 is 98. So 14 sevens are 98. Next, for example, you encountered with 14 into 9, how much? 14 nines are how much? Don't worry. To get 14 nines are how much? You think about 14 tens are how much? From 14 tens, if you subtract 14, then you will get 14 nines answer. We know that 14 tens are 140. From 140, subtract 14. So 140 minus 10 is 130. 130 minus 4 is 126. 126. Next, for example, while you are doing simplifications, you encountered with 14 six are how much? For example, you don't know 14 six are how much. Then think about 14 threes are how much? So 14 threes are 42. 42 double is 84. Likewise, you can analyze and do simplifications.